Okay, hello guys. I have now set up my speakers, and I also have tried them in games and for music and some movie watching actually. So yeah, I can now make a little quick review. So yeah, I put this speakers up here, and I got one here, and I got my little computer corner here. Here I have the right speaker and the left speaker, and I also have a speaker down here. That's the center speaker. So since I'm Swedish and I love hardstyle, I was thinking about showing you some hardstyle, and yeah, I got my bass box down there, got built-in amplifier, so yeah, and I got the bass set on like 5 or 10% or something like that. I think it's pretty like okay to have it on 5 to 10%. It's not too much and it's not too little, and I don't like too much bass. But I will show you some much bass when I play this song here. So yeah. You can also hear the surround. I think I will turn the volume up. Standing in the middle. Now it's max bass. Okay, so as you could hear there, I don't know how good the voice quality is on this recording. I'm recording with my Samsung Galaxy S2. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's pretty nice sound there. It's really heavy bass if you have it on max. And yeah, here's the camera I recorded my quick review with. Sony Cybershot 12.1 megapixel. It's not so good, but yeah. Samsung Galaxy S2 cover here, and Battlefield 3 limited edition. So yeah, that's kind of like a quick review. Oh, and I'm telling you that these speakers here, according to me, they're not very good for gaming. Well, not Counter-Strike anyway. That's the only game I've tried them in. So yeah, maybe it's good in World of Warcraft and stuff like that, but not in Counter-Strike. So yeah, I think these speakers are really nice, and they're really worth the price. So yeah, you should buy them. And there's also one more thing. They're analog, so you need a lot of like cables and stuff. You can connect it to your TV, and you can connect it to pretty much everything that has an analog output. So yeah, it takes some time to set up, but it's definitely worth the wait. But if you're a complete noob into tech, these are maybe not the best speakers to get if you don't have anyone that can set them up for you. So yeah, that's basically what I had to say right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, bye.